Like we say, we are not selling Toyota, we are selling Rolls Royce. Right? If you go and buy Louis Vuitton, it's expensive, right? Why? You know it's a good brand. You know the quality is good, and you don't mind paying 4,000, 5,000 for one handbag, right? Because you know it's good. That's the same thing with here. We know it's good. We know that it's a miracle pill that it can help a lot of people. We don't promise people cure, but we promise people hope. You try, then you know, right? Have hope, have confidence, because we are all here who have taken Protea. We are the guinea pig of Protea. We are still here. 10 years I'm taking Protea. Why I can afford to wait 10 years? Because I do the business, I get product wallet. And when I get product wallet, I get my product free from the company. That's why if you want to live free all your life, keep doing the business. Right? Keep sharing. Don't become a salesperson. Just share. Don't be so desperate to close the sales. Just share. There's 120 million people to talk to. Don't worry. If somebody is negative to you, it's their loss, not your loss. Right? Just tell yourself it's their loss. Because we are sharing our blessing. If they don't want to believe us, what can we do? Okay, so because all the events we go, Reway events, are all free. In Kaohsiung, Taiwan, in 2-3 years ago, we had 26,000 people in the gala dinner. 26,000 people, and the company spent 4 million Sing dollars for the event. 4 million, and we don't even pay a single cent to attend the event. You see, we don't even pay a single cent. It was not in the Taiwanese newspaper, Singapore newspaper, and Singapore newspaper. The Reway spent so much for their people just for gala dinner in Kaohsiung, Taiwan. So, don't you think it's a great company? Right? Who gives you free for dinner? And next one will be in Thailand. Please prepare to go and witness our gala dinner in Thailand, Impact Stadium. There will be about 40,000 people there. 40,000. So because Europe is coming as well, so it's going to be a big event. Because the last few years we went there for our leadership training seminar. We had 20 aeroplanes, 600 buses, and the hotels are full. The company gave us 3 chartered aeroplanes here full. Those who qualify go free to Thailand. So can you imagine how good the company is? Let's give it a big hand. That's why for you to go and do your marketing, you must prepare yourself with all the testimonies. Store them in your phone. You store them in your phone. Diabetes, one side, cancer, one. So when you talk to people, if they say I have diabetes, then you can prove to them. These are the pictures for diabetes. You see, these are the pictures for cancer. After taking Protea, and these are the lab results from hospital. You see, these are that's our weapon. To talking to our customer. Because you can say that I'm not a doctor, but the company has shown us all this proof that these people are taking Protea and successfully closing sales. So these are the things that we have to store. It's very, very important. And with the modern technology, smart TV now, you can just cater to your TV, and play on the TV in the house. When you talk to your friends in the house, you use the smart TV. So you are lucky now, you don't need projector. All you have to do is a phone. You can put a dongle in there, and then you can play your product presentation on TV in the house. So it's very simple now. Not like before, when we first started 2015, everywhere we carry cabin bag, like an aeroplane cabin bag. Inside there will be product, projector, laptop, everywhere we go, we have to pull. So it's not easy for us before. And you're so lucky now that you have an office here. You have a free buffet every Thursday. You have the staff here to help you. Before, nobody. We have to fight on our own. Right? So, I appreciate that. I appreciate that this is a company that can give you wealth and health. You know, we are here. I'm here for 10 years. If it's not good, I go back to construction already. You know, so actually I want to slow down already. I want to retire. You know, I saw potential in my wife. You know, that time she was not my wife. I give her 1 million peso of account. Yeah, I don't marry to her. I give her, so I better quickly marry her before she run away. If not, she run away. Work smart, don't work hard. I invest in a good leader, right? So they help you, like Tita, you a general. Invest in him, so he will help you build your deck, right? Don't worry, you have a good leader here. You know, doesn't sleep, very good. Like my wife, battery flat, she got to sleep. So don't buy EV car. So, well, yeah, the product, of course, you must really know the product because that is the OPP, right? The OPP is the first thing that when you talk to your client, that's the first topic you have to talk to them about product. So just to give them an explanation about what Putir is all about, what's inside Putir, and compare it with the private hospital stem cell injection and the price of one capsule. 40,000 for one injection here in the private hospital. You know, it's only a few hundred pesos for one capsule. So that's how you make them think, you know, so about the product. So and then they don't have to fly to Europe for stem cell injection, you know, and spending so much. Anyway, so let's go to our next speaker. This one I don't have to introduce to you. This one, if I worry I introduce wrongly, I get scolded, you know. Yeah. She'll be talking about two topics here: procedure and plan. You know, procedure and plan. Anyway. Procedure and plan is not easy. She's doing two of it because one of the speakers couldn't come today. It was her birthday last night, and I think she's still asleep, enjoying her life. But at the end of the day, you got to think, you know, when you are doing business, you have to come because it's very important. Because your downline is here. They are here and you are not here. So what example are you showing to your people? So even me, normally on Tuesdays and Thursdays, I go and have my drink at Nethouse. Because I joined the Brunei Askar Camp, the Tudor Ross Club. Tudor Ross is the British company that that is the contractor for the Brunei Armed Forces. So they have their own private clubs. They're all British engineers and all that. So every Tuesday and Thursday I'm going drinking. Even though how drunk I am, the next day I still have to open up my shop. Right? Because it's your business, your responsibility. Right? Discipline, like what we will teach you, discipline. So without further ado, let me introduce my my beautiful wife, 10 million Pegasus. And without her, there's nothing.
Hello, hi everyone. Is there any first timer? First timer? First time? First time? Tita, first time? First time, huh? First time. Okay, so I'm going to introduce myself, huh? My name is Anne. You can call me May Ann. My family calls me May Ann kasi I'm a Mary Ann. I took my medicine in University of Santo Tomas. I took my internship in Metropolitan Medical Center. And yeah, I also took law school in UST. I worked in Brunei for 9 years? No, 9 years. And then my husband asked me to resign full-time, do Reway. And being an OFW, being a single mother of 2 children, because my husband died, it's a very hard decision. It's a very, very hard decision to give up everything. Everything that you know, everything that you study, even your security and your sense of self-independence. No, you have to give that up because your husband asked you to empty your cup. And if you trust the process, and if you believe that you will have a future, and if you think that this is something that you can advocate, meaning you can do for life, then maybe you should really do it 100%. Because you can choose to be an employee for the rest of your life. Tama? But what happens after the company closed down? What happens when there's inflation and there are political changes within the government infrastructure? What happens when there are ecological resources going down, like oil and gas in Brunei? What happens? Will you wait until they tell you that they no longer can afford to hire you? Or will you take an opportunity when it comes because it may never come back? There are some things in life that when it comes, you have to grab it and you don't let go. Because if you let go, you will continually ask yourself, what if I gave it my best? What if I risked everything that I have right now in favor of chasing one dream that could forever change the life of me, my family, for generations to come? What if that decision lies upon you to be the savior of the entire family, and then you let that opportunity go? Naintindihan niyo? Diba? So, there are times, kasi chances are you won't realize this when you are in your workplace. Because you're caught within a routine. You're caught within the everyday life. So you go with the flow. So you won't have a self-realization in your workplace. Usually it happens when you go out of your comfort zone. Ibig sabihin, when you're pushed in a corner and you have no other choice but to remain strong because it's all you have, then the self-realization comes. Maybe I am stronger than my circumstances right now. Maybe I am better than what my family thinks. Maybe I could make more money than what I have in the bank right now. Maybe I am a tool to change the lives of many people in health, in wealth, in mental state. Maybe I could be helpful to my community. Those are the kind of questions kasi let me ask you a question. If you think you will die tomorrow, will you be happy? Because you haven't done everything you want to do, diba? There was a study when I was in medicine and I had to go to the psychiatric ward, mental hospital, where people was waiting to die. So the study was, we had to do a survey. In a scale of 1 to 10, are you happy? And trust me, when the result came out, most of them just wanted more time. Time. It wasn't money. It wasn't even comfort. It wasn't even family. It wasn't anything else. It was time. Time that they could have given themselves more chance na inuna nila ang sarili nila. So, today my topic is procedure. Actually, my topic is plan, which is more technical and heavier. Pero let's start with procedure muna. Can we do that? Okay. So the slide is actually very new because the USB was just released by the CEO. Who here want to win a copy of the USB, of the files that the CEO compiled so that you can study it for your entire career in Reway? Some Pegasus, they studied this LTS, this recording, 100 times before nag-sink in. Before nag-sink in. So who here wants to win a copy? Really? You want to win a copy? Yes. Because I'm willing to give my copy against my husband's knowledge.
Without telling me.
I apologize. It's my Reway points. I paid for it. Okay. This is a magical box. Okay. Whether you will succeed or not in Reway will depend on your mastery of the 6 P's. The 6 P's, if you were listening earlier, is product, potential, platform, procedure, people, plan. Tama? So, the actual leadership training seminar for that is in this box. And it's performed by none other than the CEO himself. What we have discussed is not even 1% of the content of the actual training that the CEO did. Kung anong diniscuss namin today, wala pang 1% yun. If you want the 100%, it's in this box. How to build a team, nandito rin. How to do closing so that you can close sales, business, people more effectively is also in this box. Question, can you play it in a cell phone? Yes, you can because the CEO provided a USB connector Type-C. So you can insert it in your cell phone and insert the USB so you can watch it from your cell phone. Okay? Question. Can you extract the file, save it, put it in a USB for your people to use? Yes. Can you? Yes. It's editable. I'm not sure why we did it that way, but you can actually encrypt a USB so it cannot be copied. But the USB was designed to be pirated. Okay? But for today, for all the efforts from Pasay, Valenzuela, from Brunei, from Cavite, from the entire Metro Manila, I will raffle my copy. Do you know how because you can only buy once in your life. One person.
You don't raffle your husband.
Ay, why not? Can I? Can I raffle my husband? You can borrow him for 2 weeks. Just give me a break muna. Okay, wait. Okay, serious tayo. We're not gonna raffle my husband. Okay. Okay. Why is that a very big decision? Because one person, one distributor can only buy this one time. Meaning I have forfeited my chance to get my own copy in the future. Okay? So I'm actually giving you my life, Charing, but for you. Okay? So whoever wins this, all the best. May you duplicate to be a Pegasus someday. Okay, let's start. Okay, so Procedure. I was listening to the actual recording of the training by the CEO. He said that in the topic procedure, it is a system. And the CEO asked a question. Why is it that 3 to 5 years here in Riway and the leaders are still not performing well? Why do you think? Why do you think a person who is in Riway full-time is not performing well? Kaya?
Self-motivation.
Lack of focus?
Motivation.
Lack of knowledge? Okay, hindi focus, walang alam. What else?
Motivation.
Walang motivation. Pero tingnan mo si Angelo. Angelo hasn't slept. He's awake for 24 hours because he went partying last night. You know one thing that's good about Team Eric? We're one of the closest team in the entire Riway International. We've been through ups and downs. We're one of the pioneers. We're one of the first team. We were here before the office opened. The office opened in 2016. We were here 1 year before, 2015. We're the oldest team in Riway Philippines. Palakpakan naman natin ang Team Eric. So, lack of motivation, lack of focus, lack of knowledge. What else? Lack of money? Lack of money.
Walang tiyaga.
Lack of persistence.
No will.
Lack of time. Parang pagod na eh. Lack of motivation. Umaangal na tech team natin eh. Okay, so many problems. Tama? Give yourself a hand of applause because that's what the CEO said. So he said, the success of a person choosing to love Riway will depend on whether they are good leaders, matured leaders, number one. If you have a note, take down leaders, whether they are good leaders. Number two, whether they have the right tools. So number one is leader, number two is tools. T-O-O-L-S, tools. And number three, whether they're attending meetings. So the third is meetings. So the success of a person depends on whether he can duplicate a system consisting of leadership, tools, and meeting. You get? So all your answer just now was one way or another related to those three things. Agreed?
Yes.
Agreed?
Yes.
Hindi ko kayo bibigyan ng burger kung ganyan ang sagot nyo. Louder! Okay? Kasi already ordered your Burger King. And Timmy Pavo ordered palabok for everyone. Yeah! Okay, so after you have leaders, tools, and meeting, you said it's important that you execute. Okay, in the Philippines government, there's legislative and there's executive. What's the difference? What's the difference between legislative and executive? Come on, guys, this is our government. Okay, legislative is the rules, the laws, the constitution. So they decide whether it is lawful to do this or not. Executive is the act of executing, doing it. Are you applying it? Do you have any action? Are you practical on the field? Are you fighting your battles with the correct ammunition? Do you have a machine gun? Do you have grenades? Do you have bullets? You know? So, executive is doing it, the act of doing it. So, once you have all this, your execution, your skill of execution is actually now being questioned. How good are you in executing it? Next. He said that events are so important. In my entire 10 years in Reway, there are only 4 that I require, mandatory, that every Team Eric leader should master. Kindly write it down. 4 lang. Only 4. Only 4. Number 1, NDO. New distributorship orientation. You must master that by heart. Whether you will survive, whether you will become a Pegasus, whether you'll have the right attitude, whether your team will have problems, whether you understand conflict resolution, will depend on your mastery of NDO. NDO is our Bible. Okay? So if you want your journey to be smooth and fast, then you must master NDO. 1. Number 2, OPP. Opportunity Product Presentation. You must master every new edition. So I believe your Tier 8 is very, very ripe for launching. Did you know that there's a very, very ripe earthquake in the West Valley Fault? Well, si God yan. si God Almighty yan. No, not God. but it's very ripe. So make sure if your house is in the fault, is in the tectonic plate fault, just, make sure you have provisions. There's a very big earthquake every 300 years and we're past the 300 years. So anytime now, the movement of the tectonic plate is happening. So similarly, I believe your Tier 8 is about to launch. So every new edition, you must master the presentation. Question, Anne, hindi ba importante ang product more than the new distributorship orientation? Why did I put priority on NDO rather than product? Guys, come on. Work with me. Work with me. Why is NDO more important to me than product? Palakpakan natin si Pablo Aubrey. That's the perfect question. The perfect answer. NDO is more important than selling. Because the NDO will prepare you mentally, physically, emotionally. Because the moment you start going house to house, the moment you start to go government sector to government sector or to corporate offering to do product presentation, and when you got declined, when you're faced with disappointment and frustration, it will depend on your maturity. It will depend on what kind of person you prepared yourself before you entered the business. That's why NDO is more important than first selling the product. Following?
Yes.
Okay. Number 3, Opportunity Business Presentation, OBP. So this is the marketing plan. It's important because we are, after all, in business. In fact, if you would ask my husband, depending on the kind of people that you talk to, they'll tell you, my husband will tell you up front, I'm not interested in the product. I'm more interested in making money. So can you please lay out my return of investment if I will capitalize on your business? Can you answer that? You won't be able to if you don't master the business plan. Okay? And there are some people who will buy and trust you depending on whether they will get their money back or not. Did you know? We did this training in Cavite and I did a role play. I pretended to sell to a mayor. So the mayor was my husband and I was the agent. So I was selling to the mayor. And I told the mayor, if you would give me 1 million, within 24 hours, I can grow your money by 200,000, 20%. 200,000. Whereas if you put it in a bank, in 1 year, maybe the interest per annum is 1.2, you'll just grow it by 10,000 pesos. Do you want to wait 1 year for your 10,000 pesos or do you want your 200,000 tomorrow?
Tomorrow, 200,000.
Lalo na pag maganda yung nag-represent, why not? Coconut, di ba? Okay, so grow your money, immediate return within 24 hours. If you give me your 1 million now, do you know that I can give you 49 bottles of stem cell that we can sell for another 1 million? You want your 1 million back? We work on this, maybe 1 to 2 months, Mayor. You refer me to your people and maybe we could do seminars or we could visit them in the house. We can make another 1 million. So your returns, 2 million plus 200,000. Do you want that, Mayor? Want? Mayor, did you know that if you give me your 1 million right now, you will have 7 international franchise on stem cell that you can open anywhere around the world? Do you want to have an international business, Mayor? Yes. The confidence, no? Yes. Na-intimidated. But it's true. Your diamond account are international. You can register anyone anywhere around the world and you will still earn the same commission. Yeah? Okay. Lastly, Mayor, did you know that if you will trust me with the 1 million right now and you promise me that we will work together, if someone kill you, right? If something happens to you, all the income, we call it a development bonus and matching bonus. All the income from the sales of every distributor under you will go to your beneficiary. If you name your eldest son as your beneficiary, provided he is 18 years old and above, he will inherit all the franchise and all the income that comes along with it for generations to come. So, Mayor, will you fight with me?
Yes.
Wala talagang burger, promise. Yes!
Yes!
Yes! Yes! So sometimes kasi, closing a sale will depend on your ability to present the business plan to the right person. Different presentation for different people, ha? Kasi when a person is dying of cancer, you don't want to give that kind of explanation. Tama? You focus more on the benefits of the product na nucleic level can remove the pain from inflammation, ganyan-ganyan. So you focus on product, right? So you tailor fit, you customize. Ha? You customize. So, NDO, product, business plan, the last one. The last one that you will duplicate. G, write it down. O, P, C. C as in Charlie. Okay? G for giraffe, O for Oscar, T for Tango, C for Charlie. GOOTC. So it's the greatest opportunity of the century. You must master the 6 P's. Yes po. So 6 P's, mastery of it, will determine on how fast you can expand your market. You know the only reason why Aubrey, kasi Aubrey is the biggest team in our group, in Eric group. Her market expand in the Philippines alone, it expands in Cavite, Tagaytay, Panay, Iloilo, even in Pampanga. Philippines alone. But internationally, she has a team elite in Europe, Serbia, Croatia, Belgium, US, and in the Middle East, she has market in Dubai, India. Why do you think Aubrey is so international? Because she chose to master 6P. If you master 6P, then you can market it in any country. Because it's like learning the modules for opening a franchise. It's duplicable. The standards is already set. It's a template that you just have to follow. Following? Okay. So what's the first one? NDO, product, business, GOOTC. 6 P's. So those are the procedures actually. All right. Next. I will tell you other events, and when I show you the events, I don't want you to look at it like watching documentary, no? It's not like watching Netflix. You're not watching news. When I tell you about the events, I want you to do something for me. Okay, here's the scenario. I want you to imagine that you have a 3-star leader, 2 people that are 2-star, and 4 people that are 1-star in your group. Not your upline, not your seatmate, not your friend, but you yourself. You are leading, okay? You are developing, you are growing. 1 3-star, 2 2-star, and 4 1-stars. So that's your team, huh? You have that team. Following? Okay. How many 2-star do you have in your team? How many 4-star do you have in your team? How many 3-star do you have in your team? Okay, so I want you to imagine, while I show you the events, I want you to imagine that you have all those people under you. Clear? Okay, that's the scenario, huh? Okay, when I show the events, I want you to imagine them being in the same event. Halimbawa, ipakita ko, Bangkok Leadership Training Seminar, 40,000 people, and all of us wearing suit. We look so disciplined, like an army, like a battalion. So I want you to imagine that they are sitting in the same room with you. Okay? And then I want you to imagine how proud you feel, how scared you are, and how hopeful you are that you can grow even bigger. And then I also want you to imagine that you are fighting for Team Elite. Because the requirement for a Team Elite is 2 3-star. Right now, you only have 1 3-star. So while I show you the event, I want you to imagine how you can duplicate another 3-star. So you can be a Team Elite. Following the scenario so far? Following? Okay. So your objective right now is to create another 3-star. Para dalawa na ang 3-star mo. So you have 2 3-star. So next slide. Okay, no, first one. Okay. So in 2008, when we started Reway, we had one single unit in Bukit Batarjang in Penang, Malaysia. So although we are a Singaporean-based research and development company right now, we decided to market first in Penang. Okay? So we had one little room, there were 4 old men, and Dr. Lim Bon Ho himself doing the product presentation. Fast forward 17 years after, we are in a big training hall. Impact Challenger. 40,000 people, all learning how to duplicate the system of leadership, tools, and meeting. Remember that? So next slide. Now, 2008, our recognition. We had a few chairs, we have a projector, we have a platform, we have one microphone. That is how we recognize your 3-star, your 2 stars, and your 1 star. So that was 2008. So 17 years after, we have a very big international platform that could rival any country and any company in the world. Sobrang laki, sobrang million. Did you know in Taiwan, it was winter in Taiwan, we had a recognition night. The budget for that recognition was one night budget, with all the fireworks and everything. The budget was $4.7 million just for one night. So you imagine, your leaders are being recognized in Taiwan, winter time. We were there, Aubrey was there, Tess was there, almost the entire team, Eric was in Taiwan that time. So imagine it. Next slide. So, the success of your team will depend on whether you are an effective leader or not. Tama? Because if you want to duplicate things, you must be able to know everything A to Z para the people can follow you. Tama? And so, the question is, do you have tools? Or what are the tools? Do you have tools? Do you have a laptop? Do you have a projector? Do you have a microphone? Do you have a speaker? Can you go to a restaurant right now, invite 10 people and do a product presentation? Do you have brochures? Do you have flyers? Do you have calling cards? Do you have the 9 USB that the CEO made for you? Do you have recordings? Do you have a Zoom account? So do you have the right tools to perform the business? Can you follow instructions? Can you learn to empty everything? Can you, with all humility, can you lower down your pride when somebody younger teaches you things that you think no longer apply to you because you are old and you've been through life and you'd have so much more experience than her? Can you empty everything and just relearn everything, reset, reformat, and reapply? Can you attend meetings? When we call you to attend meetings, can you drop everything and prioritize meetings? So these are the things that you must be able to do. Next slide. Yeah? In the meetings that I am going to call you to attend, leadership training seminar are usually done in World Trade Center in the Philippines. In Thailand, it's an Impact Challenger. In Singapore and in Malaysia, it's usually in a stadium. That's how big Reway is. Our training could go up from 20,000 to 40,000 people in a single event. We usually provide meals, 3 meals a day, but the training is whole day. It will be from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m., almost 7 p.m. actually. It will run for almost 10 hours. Leadership training seminar. Recognition night, you must do everything within 3 qualifying months before the recognition. Therefore, if the recognition is in January 2026, then you must qualify in December, November, and October if you want to be recognized on stage. Congratulations to all the leaders under Team Eric who will be recognized in Singapore on October 5. You're going up the stage. You'll be given a badge, you'll be given a trophy, some will be given flowers, some will be given a sash, and you will parade. You will parade in the stadium. Top Leaders Meeting is a very, very privileged meeting. It's the highest meeting already. Only very, very top leaders can attend it. The next one that we're going to hold is in Singapore on October 6th, and in Europe, it will be in Greece on October 14. We have a representative in the top leaders meeting under Aubrey. Her European doctor, Vesna, she's a surgeon, has reached top 100 as a Team Elite Pathway. So she's attending the top leaders meeting. Team Elite dinner night are for the Team Elites. Pegasus dinner night will be held in China this coming December. So you have several representatives from every group who will be attending the Pegasus dinner night in China. You must not limit yourself. Do you know, have you ever asked why some people succeed, some people break through, and some people don't? Have you ever asked why? Bakit muna? Why? Bakit muna?
Bilang knowledge.
Acknowledge?
Knowledge mahal.
Knowledge. Diyan na naman tayo sa knowledge. You can be the smartest person in the world. You can be the most talented. But you will still not succeed. Attitude. No? I mean, you could be good. You could be a good girl. You could be a good boy. But it's not a determinant for success.
Behavior.
Behavior. Palakpakan natin. Okay. Kung laude yarn. Latin honors. Okay. No. The determinant, the biggest determinant factor, which will really determine whether you will succeed or not, will depend on your mindset and limitations. Naintindihan niyo? What are example of limitations? I have no money. I don't know people. I am not a doctor. I am shy and I cannot talk to people. I cannot fly on my own. I don't like talking on the stage. I cannot be more than the current state I am because we've been like this in the family for years. These are limitations and mindset. You are a prisoner of your own mind. You have to break through. Let's give our cum laude a big applause. Magsusuma na yan eh. Okay, next. Leadership training seminar, you can download the videos in your portal so you can study it. It's usually done overseas, no? I'm thinking that the November leadership training seminar, if not Manila, will be in Bangkok. Next slide. Recognition night is also done overseas quarterly. So in 1 year, we will be recognized 4 times. Take note, ha? Quarterly. Next slide. Top leaders meeting are usually big deals. They usually do it in Las Vegas, in New Zealand, in Dubai, all that. Next slide, Greece. Pegasus dinner night are also big deals. This is just one night where you have fun and get drunk. Next slide. Okay, so last of my slide. The activities, the foundation or the pillar. Ano yung pillar? Do you know pillar? Pillar? Okay, pillar. So, what you should do to start, para makapagsimula na kayo ba? So you could start. Do your product, do your table talks, do your regrouping, do your conducive environment, the correct environment, where you attend all the activities, the meeting, the recognition night, the trainings, the top leaders meeting, and the anniversary gala dinner night. Just follow all those, and I promise you, you can be team elite in 1 year. Okay? So I'm sorry I took a bit of time because I combined procedure and plan already. So next speaker na general. Right? Thank you so much, everyone.
Well, there's nothing else I can explain anymore. Yeah, thank you to our team lead Pegasus, Dr. and Chena. Thank you. Let's give her a big hand. I don't think that's what I can say. You said it all.
Sorry naman.
What else do you want me to say?
Sure.
Huh? Yeah, very good. Are we going to have a break?
You guys want we break before the last speaker?
Hungry?
Yeah.
Is the burger here?
It's a burger here.
Two more speakers?
Oh, no more speaker.
I think we just proceed. No? We just
Is it